In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video editing efficiency using Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of video editing, maximizing your workflow can save you loads of time and make the whole process more enjoyable. So let's dive right in and streamline your editing tasks with a simple trick to speed up playback in Davinci Resolve. First things first, if you haven't already opened Davinci Resolve on your computer, go ahead and do so. Once you have your project ready and loaded, you'll find yourself staring at your footage in the timeline. Now, playback is a crucial component of editing because it allows you to view and review your cuts, transitions, effects, and more as you go along. However, sometimes the normal playback speed just isn't quite fast enough, especially if you're going through long clips or if you're reviewing sections repeatedly. Here's a quick tip that can help you. Simply hit the letter L on your keyboard. Doing this instantly increases the speed of the playback. Now, this might not be completely obvious, so it's worth mentioning why this can be so helpful. By using L, you're actually toggling the playback speed incrementally with every press. So the more you press L, the faster your footage will play. This little shortcut can be a game changer when you're scrubbing through your footage to locate specific moments, or when you're trying to make precise edits at a quicker pace. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool because it keeps you in the flow without having to manually adjust playback speed settings through menus, which can be disruptive to your focus. The best part of this feature is that you can gradually increase the speed until you hit the tempo that suits your reviewing needs. Be it double speed or even faster, it's entirely up to your preference and what the task requires at any given moment. Once you're done reviewing at a faster speed, you might want to revert to normal playback for detailed edits or precise timing. Simply press the K key and it will bring you back to the standard speed. It helps to remember that these keys J, K, and L serve as your three main friends here, acting as rewind, pause, and fast forward toggles respectively. And with that, we've covered the simple yet effective way to speed up your playback in Davinci Resolve. I encourage you to try this out and see how much it accelerates your editing process, bringing a new level of agility to your projects. That's all for today. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your video editing experience.